Mount Buller welcomes international and interstate guests, adventurers, and travelers looking for a unique winter experience. Only 3 hours from Melbourne and the closest Australian ski resort to an international airport, you'll spend less time on logistics and more time enjoying the charming snowy village. Whether you're carving down the slopes, building a snowman for the first time, or relaxing by the fire, Mount Buller offers a mountain of moments you'll remember long after the snow melts. No matter if you're just learning or have years of experience, choosing the right runs makes all the difference. And at Mount Buller, there's a perfect slope for everyone. More than just skiing, more than just snow. Mount Buller is where winter magic happens, with something for everyone, both on and off the slopes. Race down the toboggan run with the kids, take a guided tour of the mountain, or soak up the alpine views from the sightseeing chairlift. Dive into over 100 years of history at the National Alpine Museum, catch a film at Australia's highest cinema, or wind down at one of Mount Buller's many bars and restaurants. Come for the skiing, stay for the apers. With a huge variety of bars, cafes, and restaurants, Mount Buller always serves up something delicious. From quick bites to gourmet feasts, cozy fireside drinks, and lively nightlife, the Winter Village caters to every craving and occasion. So, who's hungry? For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.